I did some work this weekend in trying to work around the limitations that we've had on testing. I did some work on hooking onto the page directly without the need of hooking onto an external JavaScript file with exercise and being able to access the DOM. So for example, here on this page where I am creating a map from the Google library, you can see here I'm loading the Google Maps library. I can hook onto this page and actually grab the instance of that map from the library. I can also hook onto any of the functions. For example, this one says student work and it returns a day and a city. Now, in the test file, I have something that can return onto this page, onto the test page, all of that information. As you can see here, I'm doing a quick test simply of the return of that function, which looks at the value, data, and city. But if we inspect the work that I'm doing, I'm actually creating an instance of a browser. There is a headless browser that can be instantiated. And you can see there that I can actually get information from the page when it comes to the actual objects of the map and so on. Now, the advantage of this is that we'd be able to test in the same way that we've tested in the past, or be able to have students do exercises in the same way we've done it in the past, and at the same time be able to test. Now I have to talk it over with Anush and see what kind of impacts this would have on our testing pipeline, but I thought I'd share it just to show you what is possible. Oh, and one last thing, let me go ahead and run the test here. If I enter npm test, this is a little slow because it creates the instance of the map, but it's not too bad. As you can see there, it checked the city and that passed, and it loaded up and created an instance of everything that I just showed you.